Welcome back to another video. This is the 5-year review of the car. I mean, we're just at 106,000 K. It's been 5 years. I still got 2 years left of payments on it. Yay. But the car's been great, honestly. From day one to now, it's almost the exact same vehicle, plus or minus a few mods, a few accidents, a few this, a few that's. I don't know, like, overall, it's been so rock solid that I don't really know what to say. Other than anybody looking to buy one of these that's, say, now 5 years old with 100,000 kilometers or, 125,000 kilometers or 80,000 kilometers. You're not buying a worn-out car. You're not buying a bunch of problems. I mean, I painted my trailer a couple years ago to match the car. You can tell how the paint's faded. Like, the paint on the car is great. Everything on it's great. All the issues with the car are me related. I couldn't get the car in the driveway for a long time, so I've got a few dents on it now from the walnuts falling out of the tree. The squirrels running around playing in the tree have given me a few dents that I'm not too happy about, but again, there's nothing I can do about that. I actually lost the car going on an off-ramp, come in a little quick, I guess, and hit some dirt and skidded the guardrail. By the time I got it recovered, I'm not overly joyed about this either. We dented the front a little bit. I don't know, you can't even really tell, but it's dented there. There's a few small dents at the back. It was a pretty quick little swing on the guardrail, which scared the absolute tar out of me. It reminded me that I gotta chill out a little bit. But now that the car is able to get in the driveway, I'm gonna pick up a floor jack and I'm gonna get to work. Roommate's got the Milwaukee impact driver. I'm going to take my wheels off, put my winters on here soon, which are actually sitting right there behind me under the gray cover. So the car will be prepped and ready for winter, although that's not the goal. The goal is to not drive it this winter, at least as little as possible. The channel, this is also the 5 year of the channel, I guess. So the channel, we're getting pretty close to 10,000 subscribers, which is amazing. You guys have noticed my content has changed. Rather than just post content to post content, I've been doing shorts because there's been lots of cool stuff I've been doing, but it's not necessarily worth my time and energy to put together a whole video to have you guys, ask you guys to spend 5 or 10 minutes to watch me do some mundane stuff or whatever I'm doing. So I've been trying to do shorts. So I've been trying to keep you guys in the loop of what I've been doing and cool stuff and, blowing stuff up in fires and just kind of the lifestyle stuff that I've been up to, which I've been absolutely loving. Like, life's been pretty good. My health has been getting better. I bought one of these Apple Watches because, well, my health, it's kind of been all over the place. But it's been helping me figure out what's wrong. So it turns out I don't sleep ever, like an hour a night maybe of the 8 hours I spend in bed, and I do prioritize and dedicate time to bed. So I got to go get that looked at. Got to see the doctor. I'll probably get one of those cool Darth Vader masks and all night, but sleeping would be a big joy for me because it's been a few years. But the stress stuff has been slowly working itself out. Work's been really good. I've been having tons of fun doing cool jobs and sharing some of that with you guys. Again, the channel's been growing, and we hit 103,000 views in the last 28 days, which is the first for the channel in the whole 5 years I've been doing this. And that's kind of been the inspiration, I guess, to keep on. And the final push for 10,000 subs, which will be super, super exciting. I wish this video was more exciting, but the car is just the car. It's been the exact same for 5 years. It's faster than all hell. Everybody that's driven it has set a personal best for top speed, for cornering speed, for time from point A to point B. It's just an absolute savage rocket. I want to get it paid off here in the next tiny little bit. That's kind of the goal. I want to add a Ford Ranger. I'm thinking 04 to 2010 with a manual. I don't really care about motor, but I want to add a truck to the channel. I do need a truck for work. The trailer will be headed back out as a part of said work. And we're going to keep on keeping on. I did end up getting all my vaccines so that I can leave the country and go to events and do all that. I'm not going to share my opinions on it, but I did get my vaccines. And both of those knocked me out for a while too. So it's been a really interesting adventure. I basically cut my thumb off, like, you name it. It just, everything has happened. Oh, also, for those that were wondering, some did grow back pretty good. So I'm happy about that. It's got all the feeling and all the articulation, and I can still grab and do whatever I need to do with it. So again, I apologize for not having the most exciting 5-year review video. I did it for the 100,000 because I felt like that was a milestone. But the 5 years, I mean, the car is just everything I ever could have asked for day one. Channel's been amazing. You guys have been amazing. I appreciate the support, and cheers to the future and adding another vehicle. And oh, my Harley's even sitting over there. We got a shed I'm going to build for that, and all kinds of cool stuff coming up. Subscribe for more content. Leave your comments, questions, video suggestions. What do you want to know? What do you want to see? We're going to put this thing back together. I'm going to fix the scratches and dents. We're going to put the wing back on. Exhaust going back on. Spacers are going back in. I might get the rims repainted. Maybe go bronze. What do you think? Bronze? Switch it up from the black. I don't know. Maybe lose the lightning bolts. No, we can't lose the lightning bolts. Everybody loves the lightning bolts. That's it for now, guys. Till next time, take care. Be safe. As always.